Good morning, Prairie Dogs, and happy Monday morning. And this is our last video announcements of the year together. I hope that you guys have had a wonderful year. I know that I have had an amazing year, Prairie Dogs, with you this year. And so let's go ahead and jump right in for the last time for our video announcements. And like always, let's go ahead and get started with our Pledge of Allegiance. This is being led by our students from Miss Silva's class.
Isabel, Byron, Sarai, Hudson Hutzal, Wahan Umihor, Ready Zulu. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you to our friends from Miss Silva's class for leading us in our Pledge of Allegiance for this week's video announcements. And first, just want to give a shout out to all of the All-Stars that participated in the kickball game from both schools last Friday, both from Pioneer and Farmdale. Congratulations to our Pioneer students that came out on top and brought that trophy home, just like what we talked about at our flagpole. But great job. Wanted to say great job to both teams and give a shout out to both teams. There was great sportsmanship showed by all of the students that participated, and you can see them here enjoying some Otter Pops together after the game. So again, congratulations to all of our 5th grade All-Stars for bringing home that trophy and getting the W. But again, even better job showing that great sportsmanship as we came together and made sure that that game happened for all of our students. And thank you to everybody that made sure that this kickball game happened this year for our students. Great job to everybody, and thank you, Prairie Dogs. And let's not forget that all of those library books are due. I'll continue to let you know how many we have left each and every day. Remember, we're trying to get that number down to 0. And on Friday, we were just over 200 still. So let's go, Prairie Dogs. I know we can do it. And just some library stats for the year. So here at Pioneer, we do have a student population of 1,088 students. And as a library, we have a collection of just under 13,000 books and just under 400 ebooks. Now, if you look at our checkouts by grades, 4th grade was on top for the year with just over 9,000. 3rd grade, just under 9,000. And then you can see the rest of the grade levels there. And then when you're looking by top checkouts by class, you had Miss Cervantes' class, followed by Miss Saley, Miss Reyes, Miss Villa, and Miss Laviento. So a lot of 3rd and 4th grade there, and it makes sense that those are your highest checkouts by grade. Now, for our total circulations this year, there were just under 33,000 printed books that were checked out and just under 7,000 ebooks that were read. And then with Pebble Go and Pebble Go Next with the articles that were read, you can see that there were a lot of articles read, and you can see those books there at the bottom. Our students love Dogman. So thank you to Miss Smith and Ms. Desiree in the library for giving us a beautiful library and giving us all these wonderful titles to check out. And those are your library stats for this school year. Let's make sure, though, that we're getting all those libraries books turned back in so that we continue to have them for all of our students for years to come. And a big thank you. I know we talked about this at our flagpole celebration, but our Pioneer Field Day, a lot of fun was had by all, but we know a lot of work goes into it. So thank you for our leadership students, our ASB advisors, and then all the volunteers and staff and parents that made this event happen. A wonderful time was had by all at our Field Day last Wednesday. And it is Monday, and it is our last Monday. So let's celebrate just how marvelous our school year has been and how marvelous it is at Pioneer by showing off that Marvel gear. And so Mondays are marvelous, and we celebrate by wearing our Marvel gear on Mondays. And then our soccer tournament will be concluding this week. Now, we did have to change the format just a little. So our championship game will be today, and that'll be Miss Stats class versus Miss Castellanos class. And the winner will take all. So I know this was a double elimination tournament, but we've had to change the format. So winner take all. And so that will be today at lunch. That's Miss Stats class against Miss Castellanos class, and continue to have that wonderful sportsmanship. And then tomorrow we'll look to finish our kickball tournament. Same thing, winner take all, and it'll be Miss Nelson's class against Miss Perez's class. And we hope to have the field ready by tomorrow. And also today, on Monday, make sure to wait for the all call because it will be after our 5th grade promotion practice. But we will have our principal's progress recess at just around 10:30. Remember, this goes for students that have shown improvement in their effort, just in their overall improvement, citizenship, and behavior. So we look forward to celebrating those students with some milk and cookies and some extra recess time, and that'll be right around 10:30 today. And then we do have our celebration assemblies that will begin today. Today we will have 2nd grade, which will be at 1 o'clock. And then tomorrow we will have the rest of our grade level celebration assemblies. And this is open to our families that we will be checking you in at the gate. And so that will be Tuesday. Kindergarten will be at 8:15. And then 5th grade will be at 8:45. 4th grade at 9:15. 1st grade at 9:45. And then 3rd grade at 1:15. Okay, and these are, again, our celebration assemblies, and so our teachers do have some awards that they'll be giving out to recognize some of our students for their achievement here in this 3rd trimester. And because of our Friday minimum day, Wednesday will not be a minimum day, again, because Friday, our last day of school, is a minimum day this week. And this Wednesday, we do have our last pause celebration. So make sure that you've done everything you needed to do, Prairie Dogs, to make sure that you have paused and been kind in everything that you've done. And so our last pause celebration will be this Wednesday. And our times are listed there for our different grade levels for our K-pop dance party pause celebration last of the year. Great job with the great behavior students, and let's make sure that we're having fun and having that great behavior during our celebration. And then Thursday, we do begin our promotions, and so this will be for our 5th grade promotion. Families, other information has been sent home through Parent Square, but our 5th grade promotion will be this Thursday, June 4th at 8:45 a.m. This will be in our Pioneer Quad, and our seating and space is limited. Please feel free to bring your own seating, as we will have very limited seating provided by the school. Please leave all noisemakers, balloons, and other objects that can block others' view in your car for after the ceremony. All 5th grade students will be recognized, and seating and space again are limited for our guests. We will be holding a ceremony that should last approximately 45 minutes. Once students are done, you will be able to sign them out for the day with their teacher in the gym. Directions will be given at the ceremony on how you will sign them out. We will also have 2 backdrops set up outside of the school to allow families to take pictures with their 5th grade students. So we look forward to celebrating our 5th grade students one last time, and that will be this Thursday, June 4th at 8:45 a.m., and that will be in our quad. And then on Friday is our minimum day, and it's our last one of the year. And we will be celebrating our kinder celebrations that morning. And so we will have 2 different groups going for kindergarten. So group 1 will be 8:15, and that'll be Miss Castillo, Miss Sweger, and Miss Xiong's class. And after their performance, they will be going back into their teachers' classrooms in the quad to be signed out. And then we'll have group 2 that will start at 9 a.m., and that will be the students from Miss Day's class, Miss Naranjo's class, and Miss Whitley's class. And then we'll also have that same system that we will have more information to share with you at the celebration on how you'll be able to sign out your kinder student that day. We look forward to celebrating the end of the year with our kinder students. And then at 10 o'clock, we'll be celebrating our TK students in the quad, and that'll be at 10 o'clock. And we'll go through the same procedures. At the end of the celebration, students will be able to be checked out and signed out from their classroom. We look forward to just celebrating all of their tremendous growth they've had this school year. And we wanted to give a shout out to Last week, Ms. Vang and her student activity with her TK class, Donuts with Dads, you can see that we had a lot of dads show up with their TK students and enjoyed a nice afternoon having some donuts together. So thank you to Ms. Vang and then all of our dads and staff that showed up for our TK students Donuts with Dads event. And our yearbooks are sold out. You can still order yearbooks, but you do have to purchase them online and they would be mailed directly to your home. We are now sold out of yearbooks for the school year. And for one last time, Prairie Dogs, on our video announcements, we go over this each and every day. So continue to make sure that throughout this week, you're working hard to show that kindness and make sure that you pause and be kind in all that you do. Don't forget that pause and be kind means that we're present at school. We're always kind. We're working hard so that we can be successful, Prairie Dogs. And one of those tools to help us is the peace path. Remember, when you get upset, you don't have to react right away. You can take 3 deep breaths. You can calm your body and your brain down to help you make a better decision. Remember, you have choices such as talking it out, walking away, making a new friend, or getting help. But remember, there's that funny word that we've learned together, and that's K-footy, which means keep your hands, feet, and other objects to yourself. And that way, we all remain safe and we all enjoy our day at school. So remember, Prairie Dogs, we've gone over this each and every day this year. We'll continue to go over it the rest of this week. So make sure that you're doing your part. Pause and be kind and use the peace path to keep your hands, feet, and other objects to yourself, Prairie Dogs. And that is it. After this week is our summer break, and school will resume Thursday, July 23rd. And of course, families, more information will be coming out as we get closer to the new school year. We just want to say again, thank you to all of our students, to all of our staff and our families for an amazing school year. We look forward to this week and continuing to celebrate, just making more memories together. But let's make sure we're making those great decisions and so that we have a great week leading into our summer break, Prairie Dogs. And those are our last announcements for the year. Make sure you stay tuned for those birthday announcements. That will take us all the way through the month of June. It's been an amazing year, Prairie Dogs. I've had so much fun working with you guys, and I look forward to an amazing week where we continue to just celebrate all of your great accomplishments. Let's make sure that we continue to work hard. And remember, each one of you is great. Just allow yourselves to be, Prairie Dogs.